Hey, he doesn't see me maybe. Yeah, I see you, dude. You're the one eating the bird seed out of my feeder. How did you do that, by the way? I put this sign under here. The big ones can't get up there. That's funny. He's like, playing dead. That is hilarious. Dude. Hey, dude. Oh, now you're moving. Hey. Hey. What are you doing? What are you doing, buddy? I kept your parents from getting up there, but I can't keep you from getting up there, I guess. How am I gonna do that? How am I gonna do that? You can go rest. Goober.